Sanibonani molweni, welcome to another episode of TVC Mzansi. Igama uZamambo Mkhize waziwa ngoZamzokwana Closet on the social streets. Siyabonga kakhulu to everyone who has contributed to the channel. Iyakhula, if you're new to the channel, a warm welcome, kindly subscribe. It's absolutely free. Siyabonga for liking our content, sharing and commenting. Remember, our comments have to be respectful. If they're not, we will remove them. Please click on that notification bell so that must upload my episodes, Amasha, you'll be the first ones to be notified of them. Well, in South Africa, we know it's a country that is full of scams. I'm sure other countries as well, but specifically like South Africa, every day, unomuntu scam wayo. So there's different types of scams. I've been a victim of a scam nami, which is a phishing scam. And a phishing scam, normally, it's people impersonating abantu mhlampe from different banks, because that happened to me. Umuntu impersonator, umuntu bekasebenza bank that I was using at that time. And then they'll need information yakho, to get access to your account yakho. Obviously, they'll need a PIN or abanye passwords. Abanye they send emails with links. Abanye they send SMSs with links. So i-guest yam namhlanje nayo was a victim of a phishing scam. And she will just take us through what happened to her on that day. And siyacela-ke ukuthi nitshele nabanye ukuthi bayibukele le episode because it will make you aware of certain things labantu abazenzayo and tactics they use ukuthi bakuscam. So at least you know ukuthi you'll be educated about something. Unjani Tali?
Ngiyaphila njani?
Ngiyaphila. Ngicela uzazise ebantwini before usixoxela-ke ukuthi kwenzakalani.
Igama lami mina nguNonhlanhla, isibongo ngwakababa. I was born and raised la eFosloras, eZombi, to be, yeah. So, what happened was on Saturday, my imalamele yangena, money in, okay, I think ingene, no, let me say, ingene ebusuku, izolo nge-24, ngabo 5. Bekunetha, it was Friday.
Okay.
Bekunetha. So I was like, angeke ngize ngihambe ngiyoyikhipha because of kuyanetha, and then sekuzoshaya isikhathi ukuthi maybe lona kuyavalwa. Ngilale ekseni I receive a call. Mayingena i-call okokuqala ngingayibambi. So mangayibambi ikhale futhi. So my partner silele kushawu 7. Masilele, I was like maybe uzoba suspicious ukuthi why let busy kungena ama call and the phone ayibambi. And then mangiyibamba this guy introduced him azange asho igama lakhe uvele wathi he's phoning from a Time Bank. Okay. And then azange aqhubeka kakhulume mina ngambuza ngathi how come Time Bank izongifonela on Saturday and then ekseni kushayo 7. Azange ngisaqhubeka ngayidropa i-call. Okay, makaceda ukudropa i-phone ngitshele uguy ngithi yazini I'm sensing into engathi khona into wrong la, let me just check my balance. So mangicheck ibalance already sho ukuthi sekuyi minus, I think it was 2,000 rand mayiphuma. Sengiyaphenika phela manje sengiyaqoka sengithi yazini let me just go to la eBoxer because of sekuzovulwa complex ngambe ngiyothola the nearest ATM ngikhiphe imali. So mangisase njalo iphinde futhi le number iphone my phone sisi uyabona ukuthi there's something enzakalayo kwi-account yakho. Khona manje i-2,000 rand ephumile. So sicela ukuthi usebenzisane nathi and then sizokwazi ukuthi sikusize. So my question was why ningifonela ibank on Saturday? No, thina asikho ebank straight. Thina sikwi-call center yakhona. Okay, sinami like I'm panicking and I need my money back. Ngiyayibona phela ukuthi iphumile. Sengiyasebenzisana naye sisi sicela ukuthi ungene ku-app. Mangithi ngizama ukungena ku-app like I'm shaking. Yabona yonke into enzeka fast ngiyashaka. Sisi sicela ukuthi ungene ku-app uzokwazi ukuthi I don't remember kahle into as show direct.
Yeah.
So manje mangithi ngiyabheka silele igesi ayikho bekuyi load reduction izobuya ngo9. Ngithi athi thola noma i-airtime noma i-data nje ukuthi ifone yakho ibe ne-data or i-airtime i-app izokwazi ukuthi ivuleke. I'm not even aware ukuthi i-app noma kungena lontuza iyavuleka because of you have to just close i-Wi-Fi uvule nje i-data then app izovuleka, but mina yami bengayenzi next.
Yeah.
Lapho hlala khona si front opposite namakulu. Ngicela i-10 rand ngithe like let's 10 rand or 20 rand ngithenge nje i-data at least libe liningi nyana ngiphuthume vele ngithenge i-data ngiload. Mangithi ngibheka i-phone yami i-percentage phone ku 7% asinagesi. Ngithi ekhaya eMC Botha igesi ayihambi, let me just rush there with my charger. Ngibatshele ngimtshela ukuthi ngicela ukuthi ungifonele ngo7:30.
Yeah.
I'll be like ngizothola i-internet connection senze kahle so that you can bazokwazi ukuthi ba-reverse imali le.
Yeah.
Phuthume vele akusuke lapho ngihlala khona ukuyekhaya akusi distance eningi kakhulu.
Yeah.
Ngiyagijima endleleni like I'm panicking, I'm shaking, ngithukile, ngithatha ikhadi ngithi yazini ngifuna market uyi-reverse ngivele ngene cause sihlala ngase-box. Ngingene ngase-box ngikhiphe yonke same time.
Yeah.
Ngifike vele ekhaya bafone, it was 7:20 bafone sisi so right ngithi aseng right uyakhona ukuthi ungene ku-app ngithi i-app yamanje ingene but nangithi ngifaka i-pin yami ayivumi. So mangifaka i-pin athi change i-pin ifaka le number lena nami sengiyachinja bona cause i-app yami ayifuni ungena. Ngiyafaka like bathi angazi faka number bani ngiyafaka le number lena hawu mangifaka i-number ayisafuni manje i-app. So mangithi bathi yazini i-uninstall uphinde futhi u-install futhi again ngi-uninstall so mase ngiyenza sekumele ukuthi ikhona it may vela i-app it's create account or log in. Ngithi log in ngifaka i-pin ayifuni but like ngikhuluma nabo angisho yakwazi ukuthi yes. So ngiyamtshela ukuthi but ayivumi yazini na ifaka le pin le futhi ngifake vele ayisafuni phela manje. Okay, I don't know it's a blocked or something call i-bank straight.
Yeah.
I'm panicking isitsho ukuthi like ngikhuluma nomuntu wasebank but i-app yami ithi angikhole i-bank. Okay, iyenze manje mase ngiyifaka seyifuna ukuthi ngiyenze ngale the yes yayenza ayifuni ngithi buti ayenzi. Okay, sicela usiconfirmele i-ID number yakho. Okay, ngiconfirme vele khona i-OTP ezongena ingene i-OTP. I don't know what happened.
So nayo bebayifuna le OTP
bayifunile ngabanikeza because vele ebank they can call you to bathini confirm your ID number and kune OTP ezongena just give us ukuthi sibeke sure ukuthi uyi owner ye-account. Ngibanikeze like angazi maybe vele ngisebenzisane nabo nami. Okay, ngibanikeze sisi ezongena futhi enye sicela ukuthi usinikeze. So sho ukuthi lo OTP bekuthi ba make sure ukuthi bona bangena ku-app yami since mina ngingasakhona ukungena ku-app. Hayi okay ngisahleli badrope mama ke ukudropa ngitshela umntanisikayo ukuthi azi like angiyifeel lonke lento engiyenzayo ifila like ngathi ngirong ngathi khona into enkulu manje ezoyenzakala. Hayi umntanisikayo ayimekele maybe uzofona futhi yabona cause manje naku nabo bathi bakhala nge-network nani. Ngisalinde i-call ngisalinde i-call kuphume imali le beyisele ithi 1900 what out like I was ngavele ngashake ngayika ifone phansi. I was like iphephe ngicela ungibhekise manje angisakwazi nokubamba ifone nayi or ingenile or iphumile understand athi iphephe ithi balance 00. So bafone sisi sisayi reverse manje imali yakho sisasebenza angisakhona ukuthi ngibatshela ukuthi ayibo guys imali lo busy yaphuma kenzakalani. Hello sisi uyasizwa sicela ukuthi uthole indawo engathi like ukhona kunomsindo sicela ukuthi uchifte like ngiyachifta sengiground indlonke amakamera sengifuna ngithi puti ngiyakuva kahle sisi hello kwaba kuphela kanjalo ngemali leyo ngeSaturday nge-26 around 8:00 yonke imali 8:00 ekseni yonke imali nje
siphume yonke
bese iphelile. Ngafonela ibanki yasho okay ngagijimela eBoxer they've got i-kiosk yase-Time Bank vele. I'm crying, I'm shaking. Njalo sisi kwehlisa umoya kenzakalani sisi makathi uyangicheckela ungena lapha kulento yakhona still ilonto uzama isafuna ungena iPin. So angisayikhumbuli nalelo bhuti lobe yabhiza ngifonela ngitshelani ukuthi okay singizame ngayo athazi lo sisi uthole i-airtime ufonele ibank straight ubatshela ukuthi bakublockele i-app and then just uzokhuluma nabo mebazokuvulela i-case fraud. Ngibafonele basho ukuthi hayi we are sorry sizo investigator ilona indaba yakho and then within 7 days sizobuya kuwe and i-case esivulile sokusendela ama-case number and everything. Ngendlini okay I think ingene vele ama-message wakhona mawangena kusho ukuthi the fraud case has been opened and stuff like that. Before 7 days ingakapheli babuye kimi nge-message but unfortunately my case was declined due to ukuthi mina sho ukuthi nginikeze ama-scammers mina ngisebenzisane nama-scammers ukuthi bathathe imali yami. And then that was it with my money. Ebekade ngimele umholo wami ongoJune ongene nge-25 saka July excited ukuthi yazini finally sesijabulile siholile yahamba kanjalo ke first pay yami emsebenzini.
So currently kwenzakalani ngecase?
Currently ngile ngabasendela i-email ngasho ukuthi guys I'm not sure ukuthi ngiunderstand into lengisendele yona. Nithini kahle ngicela ukuthi like please explain any further ukuthi imali iphume kanjani because of mina isikhathi sasekuseni nibonile nani niyabona I think on your system niyabona ukuthi imali iphume ekseni and then iphuma ngendlela engingazi understand nami but still ku email ba confirm ukuthi there's nothing into abangayenza.
So when I don't remember giving them a pin at any point before kuphuma le 2000
i-call engenile and then mangeni call minute mangidropa mangithi ngichecka ibalance already imali was out ipin ngisebenzisane nabo only mase ngibona ukuthi i-app say ayisangeni and stuff like that so that's when sengathi ukuthi le 1 point something le beyiseli yiyo le ephume after sekuthi i-app yami ayisasebenzi and then sengiconfirm my ID bangisendela the OTP but i-2000 rand I was still in bed.
I wonder nakhona iyenzeka kanjani because normally mina in my case I know ukuthi I gave them a pin because bathe mele ba confirm i pin uguy ngathi confirm 2 numbers of my pin wa confirm 2 numbers and then ngamnikeza the other 2 numbers lapho ke mina in my case vele I didn't even open a case because I knew ukuthi ngibanikile so it's really surprising ukuthi in your case azange ize ubanikeze before kuphuma imali so bona maba investigator did they tell you ukuthi okay siyabona imali iphumeka so
no
so there was nothing that was
into nje ile message nje bangisendele yona and then they confirm ukuthi na kwi email ukuthi uwe nje onikeze labantu laba i-access to your account
but still it's a bit confusing
nami ngisase confused
because I'm thinking yes uconfirm
seku-later sengazi ukuthi bathi bafuna ungireversela this 2000 rand ephumile that's when ngiconfirma yonke into abangibuza yona but le yokuphuma yokuqala I don't know ukuthi mistake bekuthi ngibambe iphone or angazi cause
so what is confusing for me is that a bank can't they track in number mhlawumbe or trace ukuthi in number mhlawumbe linked to bani because in most cases I know ukuthi abantu abasebenzisana nabantu basebank because oqala how do they know ukuthi unemali you know it's rare ukuthi bakutargethe unganamali you know because most yama scams yenzeke ebantwini abasuke banemali ku account yabo so the number bekufonele was it a landline or a cell phone number
bekuyi 2772
okay
it was 2772 I think it's cell number because eventually imakuyilona ngingaba i011 or 087 or
so before kwenzakala ama transactions lawo okay khona ama transactions ayewayenzakala masocheka maybe ku bank statement
before makenzeka ama transactions
the transaction ye 2000 nale 1.9
yes no mangibheka la yes baqale ngokuthi bazisendele i500 rand so my worry is what why ingatlokanga out maybe to be informed I notifyanga nale 2000 only ngiyibona mase checka i-balance mabakade ungifonela that's when ngibona ukuthi no man imali amnayo sekusele imali engaka you understand and man calculator iyasho ukuthi it's 2000 rand ephumile so that's when because if bekuqale kwami clock le 500 le mangichecka la manje ku statement sami if uqale wa clock le 500 le bengizojumpa vele eventually mina myself ngifonele ibank uyabona yes
so i-app at that time exchange obengangeni uchecke kanjani lona
ngichecke nge-USSD le star one
no that's really sad so are you going to continue a case as much as ba sendele email ne SMS ukuthi baye decline because njoba usho ukuthi awubanikanga wena ipin yakho until the time la baconfirmisa khona your ID
so in ngalesa sikhathi ngoba ngivele nga-uninstalla that nge-26 nga-installa i-app like okay bona mabakade ungiblockela basho ukuthi nange-USSD I can't even check so usho ukuthi nangizobona ngemali mayingena and then ngizovele ngihambe ngiyoyikhipha And then so manje by that time bese ngisho ukuthi yazini ngiyayeka, it's fine. Mara manje mangibheka la ngoba i-app yami I think ngibuyise izolo ngithi hayi man, let me just check ukuthi kwenzakalani, what happened kahle kahle. So sengiyabona ukuthi no, labantu bebazenzela la. So ngifuna ukuthi ibank maybe inconfirmele ukuthi na ngiyakubona kuphumile kenzwani. So nina manithi nginike labantu amalona ngibanike angazi man, like ngifuna bangibekele iscenario ukuthi mabathi ngisebenzisane nabo kanjani. Yeah, I think ngizoqala phansi manje ngibafonele futhi ngilandelele, then bona bangibhekele statements sami babone ukuthi vele bekuyinto ukuthi vele ngisebenzisana nabo or.
And how do they prove ukuthi usebenzisane nabo?
Yes,
you know?
Yes, because they just said my case was just declined.
Yeah, so if there's anyone mhlampe who has any idea yokuthi usisa ngadila kanjani ne-case, kindly leave your comments ku comment section, let us know. Or if you've been a victim of any type of a scam, kindly let us know as well kuma comment sections. And now if you want to be interviewed regarding a scam, because the aim is to also give abantu knowledge yokuthi kwenzakalani and also educate. And I know ukuthi abantu abaningi laba baskemayo basebenzisa this sense of urgency because bayazi ukuthi uzotatazela vele upanic, and that's how they get to scam abantu. And sinabazali ke guys abaclick ama links when they see ama SMSs, sicela nabo nibatshela abantu abadala ukuthi ba confirm eqala nani bantwana nibasize ukuthi bangaclick any links. If umuntu azofona from a bank athi ucela ba confirm banga confirm anything, because one thing I've realized about being scammed is that akuna clever way scam. Bazokuscam noma bangazitsho ukuthi u-streetwise kangakanani or ufunde kangakanani, because I don't know ukuthi labantu bayenza kanjani, but yeah banomlomo omnandi even swear ukuthi basebenzisa imithi. And I'm really hoping ukuthi mawuzoqhubeka ngecase yakho bazoyi-attenda and uthole usizo, because ayikho into ebuhlungu njengokulahlekelwa imali oyisebenzele nzima
futhi yonke
and ibuhlungu because labantu abacabangelani and kubuhlungu that we've become such a cruel country yokuthi umuntu uvuka ekseni uyosebenza and iwesi umfazi maybe uvuka ebusuku ukhona uyosebenza usebenzela abantwana bakho, and now you have to adjust in trying to get imali. So after since bekuyimali yakho yomholo, did you take any loans mhlambe to try and cover izinto or waboleka imali?
No, bengisaba because beyincane ukuthi ngizothi ngithi ngiyaboleka already imali esihola incane. Mawuboleka mayizongena nginganane show ukuthi izongena because of since ngishilo ukuthi ingene late. Uzaboleka mayoboleka uzothi uyobhadala nini, and then mayifika futhi ufune kuphinde ukhiphe kuyona lencane ubhadala abantu. I didn't do any ama loans and azange ngiboleka imali. Ngivele ngayimela ukuthi kuzongena le yango July, and then I'll just recover. Ngisa recover nangayo namanje.
And then psychologically unjani? Do you need any help mhlambe counseling, because I know ukuthi this can be really traumatizing?
Ngiright khona kuba right, and I'm thinking ukuthi if angithola usizo makube ngisho ukuthi ngizohamba ngenze any further what I'm just gonna let it go, and then I hope ukuthi ibank le ngisebenzisa because ngiclient abo isikhathi eside kabi uyabo. I hope they will take us serious mhlambe angazi baqinisa security when it comes to ama apps and angazi nje. I think mara ngiright angidingi any.
Okay, as long as you right at least.
Right, ngamgelile.
So ayikho into edlula leyo futhi azi uqole
ngamgelile. So but I'm just thinking ukuthi my bank, because angeke ngize ngishiye anytime soon. Ngiyithanda isharp net ukuthi nje mabaqinise nje isecurity yabo when it comes to, and ama client wabo sibeke bawathathe seriously.
Because I know with Capitec, I use Capitec currently. Mauzo phone, and they normally send like ama messages or at times go app, you know, kuba nama messages that you go through. Bayasho ukuthi if you get a call ungena go app, if it's not them iba red, if it's them iba blue, so at least that's one thing abayenzayo at least to improve our system yokuthi wazi ukuthi if i-red call it's not them, you know. So hopefully nabo bazozwa, because there's a lot of people abaskemiwe
kakhulu,
and from different banks. It's not only Time Bank, it's not Capitec, like it's across, you know, wonke ama banks. Because nami mabazongiskema, I remember umama bekazo retire emsebenzini, so imali zakhe ze provident fund bese zizongena, and a month later, because ngamxoxela ukuthi kwenzakaleni, bamshaya ngasame, tactics la bangenze ngawo. Luckily she remembered ukuthi hayi man uzama ukhe wangitshela ukuthi
into esoyikhe nenzeka.
so washeshe wadrop ifone vele azange saphendula amakhozi wakhona wawablock. So yeah, abantwana basekhaya siyacela please try to be calm. Noma bakufonela from a bank umuntu azozama ukukurasha ukuthi hey nayi imali kwenzakalani, ngena ku-app quickly if you can. If you don't get access your app, try and rush to the nearest ATM, withdraw imali, but kakhulu fonela ibank yakho. Do not be trusting to abantu, because banks always say ukuthi they'll never ask for your personal information over the phone or via SMS or via email. So I'm hoping ukuthi today's episode was very informative and educational. Siyacela ke ningakhohlwa ukuthi ni subscribe nina eningasubscribanga. Thank you for watching.